Hey everyone, welcome to a journey of health and happiness. It's a brand new year, 2025, a fresh start for all of us. That means it's the perfect time to focus on ourselves, our goals, and our well-being. What's more important than our health? It's the foundation of everything we do. Without it, we can't enjoy life to the fullest. Every moment becomes more precious. Taking care of your health doesn't have to be hard. It can be fun and rewarding. It's about making smart choices each day, like eating nutritious foods and staying active. Small changes add up to big results over time. Consistency is key. Trust me, I'm a doctor. Your health is in your hands. This year, let's make a pact to prioritize our well-being. We're in this together, supporting each other. Let's dive into some simple tips to become the healthiest versions of ourselves. It's easier than you think. Are you?
We all know the saying, "You are what you eat." It's true. Food is fuel for our bodies, providing the energy we need to thrive. Eating a balanced diet is crucial for maintaining good health and vitality. What does that mean? Focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These provide essential nutrients that our bodies need to function properly. Try to limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and excessive unhealthy fats. These can lead to health issues over time. They might be tasty, but they don't do our bodies any favors. Instead, they can contribute to weight gain and other health problems. Remember, healthy eating shouldn't be boring. It can be delicious and exciting. Experiment with new recipes, explore different cuisines, and make cooking fun. This way, you can enjoy a variety of flavors and keep your meals interesting. Your body will thank you for making these healthy choices, and you'll feel more energized and vibrant every day. Exercise. It's a word that might make some people cringe. The thought of it can be daunting, and the idea of sweating it out might not sound appealing. But it doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be fun and incredibly rewarding. Moving our bodies is vital for both physical and mental health. It keeps us feeling young and energetic. Exercise boosts our mood, strengthens our bones, and helps maintain a healthy weight. It can even improve sleep. You don't need a fancy gym membership to get started. Start with simple activities you enjoy. The key is to keep moving. Go for brisk walks, dance around your living room, bike through your neighborhood, or swim at your local pool. Or try a workout video online. Find an activity buddy to keep you motivated. Exercising with a friend makes it more enjoyable and keeps you accountable. Plus, it's a great way to bond. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Your body and mind will thank you. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to neglect our mental health and well-being, but it's just as important as our physical health and fitness. Stress, anxiety, and burnout are real issues we all face. It's crucial to find healthy ways to manage them effectively. Take breaks throughout the day, practice mindfulness, or try meditation regularly. Don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed at any time. Therapists and counselors are there to support you through tough times. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness, and it's okay. Subscribe to The Health Key for more quick and easy health tips. Stay healthy, stay happy.